What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. We are back with another Kaspa video. Early buyers of Kaspa will become millionaires. Early buyers of Kaspa will change their lives forever. Go support all my previous Kaspa videos, guys. I'm telling you, let's blow this project up. Let's go viral with Kaspa. In this video, we're gonna cover how much you need in cash to make crazy gains, right? That's what we're gonna dive into. We also see Rust is being developed for Kaspa, and there's testing already being done. For those of you guys that don't know, Kaspa hasn't entered the phase of smart contracts or Rust into the protocol as yet. Okay, smart contracts not being online as yet is so bullish for Kaspa. It is absolutely bullish for Kaspa, guys. Just keep your eyes on this video right here. It's absolutely bullish for Kaspa because it just goes to show without the limits being tested for Kaspa, it's already making noise. It's already exploding. Imagine when smart contracts go live for Kaspa, guys, how much momentum and craziness is gonna happen. That's when so many different people and developers are gonna start to come in and develop fully on Kaspa constantly, and it will just grow and grow and grow. The number of transactions will just increase, and the blockchain, the blocks per second, everything is just gonna keep increasing because of the ecosystem and how much it will grow whenever smart contracts and Rust fully go live, right? So there's a lot to anticipate for Kaspa. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I kind of went off on a rant with it right just now. Not a financial advisor. Please be aware. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project. And if you hold cash or you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, when we take a look at the Kaspa chart, it's sitting at 2 cents. So 100,000 Kaspa gives you for $2,000, $2,100, you get 100,000 Kaspa. So right now it's sitting at a $394 million market cap, 20 bills circulating supply. So for Kaspa to hit $1, it has to go to $20 billion in market cap. And most people would be like, no, that's impossible. Ain't no way that's possible. If you do your own research into block DAG technology, into Dagnite technology, and the Nakamoto consensus, and how Kaspa has fully fleshed that protocol out and developed that, you would think to yourself, after you've done your research, wow, this is possible. If you go to the top 10 projects right now, a lot of them have old protocols, right? A lot of them shouldn't even be up where they're at right now. Like, for example, Solana, Litecoin, right? Kaspa blows these two. Matic blows these free protocols. Dogecoin is a blockchain, for those of y'all that don't know. Blows these projects out of the water. Cardano, I'm telling you, like, Kaspa's technology surpasses even Ethereum because of the proof of work technology mixed with the DAG technology, guys. Just like how Bitcoin has started to explode because of BRC20, right, and ordinals, right? People are starting to use the Bitcoin blockchain, and you could already see the scaling issues with Bitcoin. Like, people, like, what about the people in El Salvador? How they're gonna transact with Bitcoin when they gotta pay $10 to $20 to $50 per transaction, in just gas fees, right? Like, these protocols can't compete with Kaspa's because what's his name? let me look him up real quick. It's I keep mixing it up. Hold on, give me a second. Yonatoshi, yeah, Yonatoshi. The little nickname that I got from you guys in the live stream, Yonatoshi, because of people like Yonatoshi and what they've developed with Kaspa. It has limitless scaling, right? It won't find scaling issues like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even now, even after the merge, ETH 2.0, Bitcoin still has scaling issues. Gas fees are still super high. Now, the protocol for Ethereum, is great how they've integrated proof of stake to increasingly reduce the supply of Ethereum. That's great with what they've developed. But with Kaspa, it has mining just like Bitcoin, right? Proof of work is the #1 type of technology in crypto for a reason. The miners, the hash rate, you know, securing the network with nodes, right? Proof of stake has to sacrifice security. This is why Bitcoin is one of the safest blockchains, but it has that scalability issues, and that's why Kaspa, because of its Ghost DAG, DAG Knight, proof of work technology, right? It solves the blockchain trilemma, right? It solves scalability, it solves security, guys. It solves it all. And I'm telling you guys, right now, all you need, in my opinion, is 10k to 50k Kaspa to 100k. If you could get 10k, even 10k to 100k Kaspa, you can't afford $2,000, you got $220, you get 10k Kaspa, 10,000 Kaspa. That's gonna be enough for you to make some crazy gains in the future, right? Maybe not the next bull cycle. You may get 10 to 20 to $30,000 the next bull cycle if when Kas goes to $1 to $3. $30,000 from a $220 investment, freaking amazing. Okay, $220 investment, and you make $30,000 when Kas goes to $1 to $3 this next cycle. But if it's not this cycle, it's gonna be the cycle after that, right? It's gonna be the cycle after that, guys. So even 10,000 Kaspa, you put it on your wallet, you forget it, that's all you could afford. I'm telling you, that's gonna be some crazy gains in the future. Name another place where you could invest $220 and walk away with close to $10,000 to $30,000, right? I'm telling you, nowhere else but crypto, nowhere else but bullish projects in the space, unique projects in the space. You guys can see Kaspa has been making a run. Bit of a retrace right now, giving people nice time to DCA back in at that 2 cents mark. But yeah, even $50,000, even 50,000 Kaspa, that's like what, 1,100? $1,100 for 50,000 Kaspa, right? Even 50,000 Kaspa, it goes to $1, 50,000. $2, 100,000. $3, $50,000, guys. You can't rule out these possibilities that could happen because of, like I said, Kaspa's technology. It may, it has the potential, not even may, it has the potential to be the top 2 blockchain in the space. And if it doesn't get to top 2, it's gonna be top 3 this cycle, right? And then the next cycle, top 2, because Ethereum and the centralization, all these things surrounding Ethereum, in my opinion, is not that bullish for Ethereum, right? But number 2 to number 3 blockchain, I wouldn't be surprised if Kaspa gets to those levels. You can't rule out the technology that is built here, and it's fully decentralized. It's not a security, it is a commodity, just like Bitcoin, right? These are the things you can't rule out, guys. So yeah, 10,000, even 10,000 Kaspa could potentially give you crazy gains in the future. Shaydesh, in-house testing of Rusty Cas on 10 blocks per second. So you guys can see the testing is happening for Rusty Kaspa, which is Rust, right? It is a programming code, right? It's a coding program, right? So they're developing that out, right? And that's gonna I'm telling you, the protocol for Cas is just gonna keep growing. And these are all community devs. These aren't anybody that is, a part of a team or none of, no, it's just community devs working on this blockchain. Insane stuff. You got a me from Glitch, in-house testing of Rusty Cas on 10 bps. You know how people have the laser eyes? Well, guess what? It's the green, light blue laser eyes for Cas, right? From Captain Sass, did you know in addition to Ethereum, Filecoin uses a variation of the Cas founder's Ghost 2? What? I pulled this up, I didn't even read it. Not that surprising given what we know, just interesting. Many top 100 coins use their older protocols. Wow. People should check the new ones on Kaspa. So with the publication of secure high rate transaction progress in Bitcoin, Sopolinsky Zohar 2015 idea of blockchains not as chains per use but as directed acyclic graphs DAG was popularized. In that way, rather than looking simply at the longest chain, one may look at the heaviest DAG or ghost greedy heaviest observed subtree, that with the most blocks. Filecoin is such a protocol using both overall number of blocks as well as the storage power they encode in its chain selection rule. Ghosty protocols enable miners to refer back to all observed blocks from the past in order to lend their chain weight. Filecoin's consensus mechanism is built on a variation of these called tip sets. Right here, using DAG technology from Sopolinsky. Crazy stuff, right? Jonathan Sopolinsky, using his technology that he developed. Crazy. Where's Filecoin sitting at right now? Filecoin is definitely in the top 100, right? Like, a lot of people like Filecoin. While that takes the time to load up, let's move on, man. The Kaspa currency account reached 60k followers. It has come so far in such a short period of time. See you at 100k chads. The following on Twitter just keeps growing for Kas, and the Kaspa community just keeps growing. These are the times when you get into these projects, man. When Kas gets to 100k followers, 200, 300k, eventually 1 million followers on Twitter, where do you guys think the market cap will be, man? Let's take a look. Let's see, Filecoin number 31. Kaspa is gonna come for your spot, Filecoin. Kaspa is coming for your spot. You best believe the DAG is coming. The DAG night is on its way. Kas miner cost 49k from main tech, and it's sold out. $49,000 for this Kas miner, and it's sold out on the main tech site. People realize what's happening here. The miners realize what's happening here. And guess what? The miners securing the network is gonna be good for Kas. What's good for the miners is good for Kas. People are spending $50,000 on miners. Sold out. Sold out to mine Kaspa. If that isn't any indication of how far this project will go, man. You got the next thing coming, y'all. Bubblegum Lightning, the recent Kas code-based rewrite to Rust is primed and ready to shatter world records, offering unprecedented BPS rates and proof of work speed. This achievement brings Kaspa to another level, boasting performance improvements in pushing the boundaries of what is perceived as possible. I can't wait till Rust gets official, man. The testing is being done for it right now. When it is planned to be fully released, only time and testing. Okay, they'll take their time to get it out, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna crush it. Suddenly there was no need for any more chains, only Kaspa. And he ain't even joking though. He's not joking. That's dead ass. Like, why would you use other blockchains when you got Kas, man? Like, really think about it, right? So Caspians, telling you guys, 10,000 Kaspa, 10,000 Kaspa, $206. 50,000 Kaspa, $1,031. Telling you, even if you can't afford the full 100k, even 10,000 of these bad boys, man, even 10,000 will be potential life-changing gains. And even if it's not life-changing, it's a start to get to those life-changing gains, right? Because Kas, as the future unfolds, Kas could hit $10 in the future. Who's to say it can't hit $10 in the next cycle after the incoming bull cycle, right? Who's to say that can't happen? Pump it to the sky. Kas unstoppable. I'm bullish on Kas. Shout outs. I'm telling you guys, man, go through the replies, go through the technology, do your own research. Caspians, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Kas and myself will be in the description. I also have a Patreon. It's good. I don't know what's happening with my internet, man. It's taking forever to load pages. But I also have a Patreon, right? You get access to my private Discord where I give you guys my buy alerts and sell alerts, right? And if you become a patron, every time I buy something, I'll let you know. Every time I sell something, I'll let you know. We could use the Patreon. You could sign up to the Patreon to get these plays.